Jared Diamond's groundbreaking book examines the factors that have shaped the development of human societies over the last 13,000 years. Diamond argues that environmental and geographical differences, rather than inherent biological disparities among peoples, have been the primary drivers of global inequality. His thesis is that guns, germs, and steel, technological advancements, infectious diseases, and powerful tools are outcomes of environmental conditions that favored some societies over others. Key themes and concepts: geography and agriculture. The development of agriculture was a pivotal turning point. Societies with access to fertile land, suitable climates, and domesticable plants and animals were able to establish food surpluses. These surpluses allowed specialization, technological innovation, and the growth of larger, more complex societies. The spread of ideas and technology. Geography also influenced how quickly ideas and technologies spread. Regions with an east-west axis, like Eurasia, facilitated easier exchange of crops, animals, and knowledge due to similar climates, unlike regions with a north-south axis, like the Americas or Africa. Domestication of animals. The domestication of animals provided labor, food, and transportation. It also exposed humans to zoonotic diseases, which later became powerful biological weapons when Europeans encountered indigenous populations in the Americas and other regions. The role of germs, epidemic diseases, e.g., smallpox, measles, played a significant role in conquests. Societies that had long histories of farming and animal domestication developed immunities to diseases that decimated less exposed populations during encounters. Technological advancements, guns and steel. Access to resources like metal ores allowed societies to develop superior weapons and tools. The invention of steel and gunpowder gave certain societies military advantages over others. Writing and political organization. Societies that developed writing systems and complex political structures could organize larger populations, preserve knowledge, and execute long-term strategies for conquest and governance. Environmental determinism versus cultural factors. Diamond emphasizes that environmental factors largely dictated the success or failure of societies. While cultural and individual choices matter, they were often constrained or shaped by geographical and ecological contexts. Case studies in the book Diamond uses historical examples to illustrate his arguments. The conquest of the Americas. Guns, germs, and steel allowed a few hundred Spanish conquistadors to overthrow the vast Aztec and Inca empires. Diseases like smallpox wiped out large populations before battles even began. The Fertile Crescent's advantage. The early development of agriculture and urbanization in the Fertile Crescent was due to its abundance of domesticable plants and animals. However, environmental degradation eventually caused its decline. China's stagnation. Despite early technological advancements, China's geographic unity may have led to centralized decision-making that stifled innovation. Criticisms and limitations. While widely acclaimed, the book has faced some criticism. Overemphasis on geography. Critics argue that Diamond underplays cultural, political, and individual factors in shaping history. Simplicity of causation. Some find the explanations overly deterministic, reducing complex histories to geographical and environmental factors. Lack of focus on agency. The role of human ingenuity, creativity, and adaptation is sometimes overshadowed by environmental determinism. Conclusion: guns, germs, and steel offers a compelling explanation for the unequal distribution of power, wealth, and technology across the world. Diamond's work highlights how deeply our destinies are intertwined with the environments we inhabit and the resources available to us. The book challenges us to rethink simplistic notions of historical progress and to appreciate the complex interplay of geography, biology, and innovation in shaping human societies.